It's word study time for room 24, and today we are going to focus on contractions, and we use contractions each and every day, but do you realize you're using a contraction? If we read the words on the board, we have we're, didn't, and you'll, okay? What do we notice about all these words? Well, I'm sure if you were sitting in class with me right now, you would say they all have a vowel, because we know all words have vowels. If we look at them again, we would say they all have consonants, because, well, all words have consonants. Well, all but a few, I should say. If you were sitting here, you would probably say, well, when I say didn't, it has 2 syllables, and that would be true as well. So some of them have 2 syllables. But the thing I want you to notice the most today is that each of these words has an apostrophe in it. You'll see the apostrophes right there, okay? All of these words are contractions, and a contraction is a word or more than one word put together with some letters left out. Here we have the word we're. That is the contraction, okay? Then it represents the words we are, okay? So we can say we're, or we can say we are, okay? Now we have the contraction didn't. Well, didn't is the contraction for, if we can get our letters up there, did not. So we can say I didn't do my homework, or I did not do my homework. It means the same thing. It just one is a contraction and one is not. Then you'll see the word you'll. Well, you'll is the contraction for you will. Okay? You'll ride the bus home after school today, or you will ride the bus home after school today. Same meaning, just one has a contraction and one does not. Okay? Now, if I look at what did I do to we are to make a contraction? Well, I removed one letter. And if we notice, I removed the word or the letter A, and they slid together. We put an apostrophe in there, and now we have the contraction we're. Let's look at the word did not. What letter did we remove and replace with a contraction? Well, it was the letter O. We take the letter O out, we scoot all the letters together, and we put an apostrophe in where that missing letter is. And then if we look at you'll, well, you'll follows a slightly different pattern, because if I look, I have the Y, I have the O, I have the U, and then I have the 2 L's. So what did I remove to make the contraction you'll? Well, I had to remove the W and the I, and I squeezed my L's over, and I put an apostrophe in to replace the W and the I. And that is how I got the contraction you'll. Now today your assignment's going to be to go into Google Classroom, and in the comments section underneath the post for this activity, you are going to write some contractions that you find in your reading or in any book that you would like to look through, or any contraction that you can just think of off the top of your head. Okay? Because you know, if we were in class right now together, we would be doing a huge brainstorming and brainstorming all of the contractions we can think of, and recording that. You would record those on the board. So instead of recording on the board, go to Google Classroom and share some contractions that you can think of. All right? We'll meet again tomorrow to talk more about contractions. Have fun. And I'm looking forward to reading all the contractions you can think of.